Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to talk about customizing the hamburger style menu button here on our Wix Harmony site. Let's get started. So first, click on your hamburger style menu element and from the action bar above, go to Customize Icon. This small window will open, and this is where you can work on your menu button. So you have the static tab and the animated tab. So you can select which icon you'd like to display by clicking on Replace icon here. In my case, I'd like to use an animated icon so that it would look pretty nice and sleek. So if you select the animated tab, go ahead and click on Create New Animated Icon. So you have the start icon and the end icon. So the start icon is what it would look like at first, and then the end icon is what it would look like once you hover over it or click on it. If you'd like to preview it, go ahead and click on preview. And as you can see, this icon has been animated just as we want to. So by the way, when it comes to choosing your icon, you can actually use an icon from Wix's media library, or you can actually also just upload your very own if you want to. Anyway, once you're done making all of your changes should automatically be saved on the Wix Harmony editor, and you're good to go. That's it for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.